Say that again. The boundaries.
The surveyor had surveyed some property, and the boundaries are running straight through both of the houses that the people put there, and these are people we have no information on them. When we contacted the people, they said to us they bought the land. They bought the land from Mr. Sands. And they said they bought the land and said that their lawyers are making up papers for the land. And so I told them, I said, well, y'all and your lawyers going to jail because you can't buy commerce land.
No, yeah.
You see? But these are the things what Mr. Sands been doing. And that's why, and I have a letter which will show you where the committee wrote Mr. Sands a letter and told Mr. Sands to cease and desist giving our land away to strangers and collecting money on behalf of the commoners and not turning it in.
So where's this letter?
We wrote them, let me check in it, let me look in the documents. You know? We wrote him a letter. Just give me a minute, let me see if I can find it. I got a lot of stuff here. I will give you, and I'll probably have to look in my...
But just give me a gist, so give me the gist of what the letter said.
The letter states to Mr. Sands that this committee would like for you to cease and desist from giving certificates, issuing our land to people who do not qualify for our land, and collecting monies on behalf of Roxanne Commoners committees and not turning it in.
The persons who told you that Mr. Sands sold them properties, how much did they say that they purchased the properties for, or they didn't tell you?
They never tell us. They never told us a price. They never told us a price. All they said was they bought their properties and their lawyers are making up their papers for it. And I told them, I said, well, y'all and your lawyers going to jail.
So is the committee itself now doing anything in particular to now prosecute this matter, to put this matter before the courts?
Well, if it was left up to me, it would have been in court a long time. You see, but I can't override the chairman, who is Mr. Camp.
Okay, but now, earlier you said Mr. Camp is the acting chairman.
Yes, at this time, simply because he was the deputy. But after Mr. Sands is out of office, Mr. Camp is in charge now.
What does the act say to allow for Mr. Camp now to take on the role of chairman, considering that Mr. Sands has to leave office?
Well, anytime the chairman is out of office, that's where the deputy chairman, because he fits in, he is the chairman when the chairman is not in place.
Okay, but Mr. Sands is here.
He is here.
So what is stopping? I mean, aside from did he ever produce this letter that you are saying that he said the doctor told him? Did he?
Never produced it. Never produced his letter of resignation. He never produced.
So then, if he didn't produce this letter and he didn't produce this letter of resignation, then he's still the chairman. Okay.
Well, if you wanna put it like that,
no, I'm not putting it like that. That's procedure. Because in order for him to not be the chairman, he has to resign, and now. He doesn't even have to produce the letter. He just has to resign. Or there has to be an election where he's voted out of office. Or your act may have something that says, based on these particular qualifications or requirements, or based on these particular situations, you are no longer suited to hold office. If you guys have not produced any documentations in that regard, and he has not resigned, it means that he is still the chairman.